Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 6th, 2021. I wanted to come in on this video right here. You guys can see that I'm talking about Chargepoint. There's some things that I really wanted to address of some things that I wanted to happen into the market and that we're really not getting. So we really need to prepare ourselves for further declines. Yes, I'm going to break that down to each and every one of you if you're interested in Chargepoint, because I know a lot of people are going to continue to tell you to buy on the dip, continue to tell you to buy even when the price is still going down. But we're not that type of people, right? We're that type of channel that's going to give you information that you really need to see and understand so that we all can be prepared and react accordingly to the market situation. So before I break that down, and today's the first time I've ever seen our video and our content, you guys will realize that we're here to make sure that we are in position to capitalize on price moves, right? We want to at least understand what the market's going to do so that we can be prepared for it. Okay, we're not one of those run-of-the-mill YouTube influencers or channels that simply pump stocks, because that's out the norm. That's ridiculous, because all stocks don't go up in perpetuity. As you can see in Chargepoint, they also come down. So if you guys want to join me, tap in, hit the like button, should have been also subscribe here to the channel. So now, why am I expecting the price in Chargepoint to continue to decline, or at least the value of each particular share in the market? It's because of this reason right here. You guys can see from our last video, right? We did a price prediction right there on September the 2nd, right? Of expecting the price in Chargepoint to continue to go up in price. That was our prediction. We was looking for the market to go up, and that really didn't pan out that way. Ever since that video, ever since that price prediction, take a look at the market price in Chargepoint. Like, where is the strength? Where are the buyers? They're not here. If the buyers truly was in this space in Chargepoint, they would have shown themselves definitely well within the time frame for us to hold $20, and that did not come to pass. That is a dead giveaway that there's no buyers here into the market in Chargepoint as of this particular moment. So we need to be prepared for this. We need to be prepared to allow the price in Chargepoint to continue to go down, plain and simple. All of this volume that came in Chargepoint right here on this particular day, September the 2nd, and we still could not find any buyers. All of this volume literally means now that majority of the market participants on September the 2nd sold the market. They sold their Chargepoint in this space. So now let's take a look at a different time frame then. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this price prediction because it didn't go right. I mean, once you recognize that the market is not giving you your expectations, you need to come through and cut it, minimize the losses. Because if we're still expecting price to go down, then you need to cut those losses, right? And we're literally still seeing the price in Chargepoint giving us weakness. So if we were to get out right now, we'll be down 21.75% right here. You guys can see it. Keeping it real, showing you all the expectations as to what the market is currently doing. We need to cut it 22.5% right there. Okay, it didn't work. It didn't happen. Got to move on, get in position, and expect different things, because obviously the market is not giving us the strength. So instead of giving us the strength, we need to see, okay, where's the next spot that we can see the market hold support in Chargepoint? And it's right here. Okay, this level, which is around $16. That's the next closest area that we are expecting the market in Chargepoint to come. 16. Now in the long term, what about $14.50, 45 cents, give or take? So let's see this, because I want to see how far the market in Chargepoint really can go. You guys can see this is the 3-day time frame. We're breaking our ultimate crucial support area, which is another reason why we're looking for the market in Chargepoint to continue to go down. This was very important. $20 was very, very important for the market to uphold, and we broke that on the last completed 3-day price bar, and we're still seeing the breakage on this current one. So we still got some weakness to go through. The closest area, like I said, is 16. Take a look at the market on the 5-week time frame. Take a look at this. Even here on the 5-week time frame, the market in Chargepoint is definitely giving us some weakness. So we got to be prepared. Got to get in position, right? So let's go ahead and see how the market looked on the monthly. This right here definitely tells us why the price in Chargepoint is still going down. The last 3 months, look at this. Chargepoint has continued to get inundated with people trying to sell the market. If the market in Chargepoint truly was strong, we would have seen the buyers come through. So if you don't get anything out of this video, understandably know that from this month right here, July, August, and then September, that the buyers did not show up. And when buyers don't show up, price continues to go down until they do. So the next area that we're going to look to see the buyers come in is around 16. Outside of 16, around $14. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all this from a percentage basis as to how low that will be. Now, obviously, since the market in Chargepoint has broken this very strong support area back here in March, in April and May timeframe, that area is going to now act as restriction. So as long as price in Chargepoint does not crack back up above $20, we're going to continue to expect the market to go down. Okay, however long it takes. If price never comes up here and breaks above $20 on strength, we already know that it's a fake move, that the buyers are not really there. It's just a trick to try to catch us into thinking that the market is a buy. Now, the first area that we're going to look at is around 16 though. Okay, that's about 9.75% profitability right there, around 16. Next area will be down here towards 14. This is around 20%. Now, literally looking at this from the long-term perspective, we can see the market come down to $14 and 45 cents, give or take, right? We can definitely see that. So we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market. I wanted to come in and give all of our subscribers a heads up as to what we're noticing on the price chart in Chargepoint. I know a lot of people has been pumping this particular stock, telling y'all to buy when it hits 20, when it goes below 20, which is all cool and fine. But what if you're still expecting the market to go down, right? We're looking at 16 now, and then after 16 is going to be 14. So just be prepared for these moves. I'm here to try to assist us in reading the price chart without being confused, without giving you any confusing jargon, without giving you the run-of-the-mill buy on the dips, because this market is in a massive dip right now. I mean, imagine all the videos that you've seen of YouTubers coming in and telling you all to buy the dip every time this market in Chargepoint been coming down, and we're still seeing the weakness. So I'm here to help us all out. We need someone in our corner to be real, to give us the actual factuals, to show us what the market is actually reading without trying to sway us into thinking that the market will always go up. Because ever since December 2020, pretty much the whole year 2021, Chargepoint has been in a downtrend. Not once have we seen the market really give us an ascending trend or a bullish environment to where the price continues to go up outside of December 2020 and beyond, right? So now this is it. I wanted to come in and give y'all an update as to what we're noticing on the chart in Chargepoint. And now we're going to move this over, play this on the daily. And now it's your turn, right? This is what I'm noticing. This is what I'm seeing. I'm not telling you that this is exactly how the market is going to go, but from my perspective, this is where we're headed. So now from your perspective, what are you noticing on the chart in Chargepoint? Are you expecting the market to continue to go down, or are you expecting us to finally found a support area and bounce back up towards 20 and then eventually break up past 20? Like, what are you seeing on the chart? Tell me. Leave me a comment right now in the comment section of this video. Make sure you maintain the profitability though, and as always, like I say, make sure you trade different.